Hey, what's up coders, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to create the navigation drawer. So in my previous tutorial I created this page with the menu icon, the title and the search. So when we clicked on this, we did not implement any function, so we will do that now. So I'll link the code of the previous tutorial in the description below. And okay, so let's start with the navigation drawer. So the navigation drawer is part of scaffold. So if you click on the scaffold, you'll find the drawer widget here. So what we're going to do is, so at the moment the scaffold has the app bar and the body. So we're going to implement the drawer. So first we need to create drawer widget, and then this we're going to create a list view, which would be easy for scrolling if you add more items into the menu. And let's move on to the children. So we know that in a navigation drawer always you'll have the drawer header first and then your menu items. So first we'll create a drawer header. And the drawer header has a text element. So I'm gonna give welcome back. Welcome back. And also I'm gonna style it, so I'm gonna give a text color style with this text color of white. Okay, there you go. And yeah, we need always the drawer header would be displayed in a kind of a box decoration, so we will use the box decoration as well. So this is for the style. Okay, we are missing another. This is for the style and this is for the, okay, there's a comma here which you're missing. Okay. Okay, so we'll move on with the decoration. And we'll give a box decoration. The color of the box is the same theme color that I'm using, so it's a custom color. So I'm just going to use that. Okay, so this is the decoration and this is the drawer. Okay, I see that I've missed out it should be in caps, drawer header, and there you go. And okay, this is a comma. Okay, so we have the decoration completed, we have the drawer header completed. Now we'll move on to the list. So it's always good to add a comment just to know which one is the ending brace. So now for the menu item we need to use list style. So the list style depends on the number of menu items you want, so I'm just gonna add 3. Okay, so the first one is the title. I'm gonna give a text and I'm gonna say menu 1, and it also has another property is on tap. That is, when you click on the menu item, you can use the on tap, and I'm gonna just pop the context, so it's just gonna close the navigator. So it's navigator dot pop the context. Okay, so I have my list style. Okay, it's style. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this, okay, this is my second list. Okay, there has to be a comma. This is for the on tap, and for the list style there has to be a, okay, so this is the list style. Let me format the code. Okay, so this is the first list style. Second, so I'm gonna put it as menu 2, and I'm gonna add another one, and I'm gonna say menu 3. So I think I have an extra closing brace, so I've cleared it. So we have a drawer element and its child is a list view. So the children of this list view is the drawer header, which is the block with the welcome message, and then you have the list style. So this can increase or decrease depending on the number of menu items that you want to add. Okay, and now if you look at this, on the menu click, the drawer has to open. So at the moment we have just created the drawer, but we haven't triggered the click. So here we have the menu on pressed. So what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to create a global variable called scaffold key, and then I'm going to add that key here. Yeah, I'm going to add this key here, and then on the press it's going to be scaffold key dot current context dot open drawer. So this actually I think it's the current state, not the context. Okay, there you go. So what I did was I gave this, I created a global variable and gave a key in the scaffold, and when I press on the menu item, this opens the drawer. So let's see this in action. So I'm going to click a hot reload. Okay, so I'm going to click on the menu item, and there you go. You see, we can see a navigation drawer here and menu item 1, 2 and 3. Now I think there is a padding issue where I need to add a padding 0. So in the children, where's the drawer? Okay, here it is. See, here I'm gonna add a padding no, I'm gonna give a 0. Okay, there you go. Let me hot reload. Okay, there you go. Voila. So you can see that by giving a padding, you don't see the grayed out section here. So there you go. So this is how you create a navigation drawer, and when I click on these menu item, the navigate pops. So that's what we have defined here. The navigation drawer, when you click on any of the menu item, it should pop the stack. So here you go, the menu items with the navigation drawer.